Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go over the question. In the figure above, the center of the circle is O, the area of the shaded region is 80 pi, and the measure of x is 2 pi over 5 radians. What is the radius of the circle? Okay, here first I am going to get the given angle measure x in terms of degrees. Actually, it is given in radians. Okay, now to convert this radian measure to degree measure, I have to plug in 180 degrees for this pi, because we know that pi radians equals to 180 degrees. So to convert this radian measure to degrees, we have to plug in this 180 degrees for pi over here. Then we get 2 times 180 degrees divided by 5. Okay, here when we multiply this 2 and 180, I am getting 360 degrees divided by 5. Okay, now let me divide 360 degree by 5. Let me do it. When I do so, I am getting 72 degrees. That is equals to 72 degrees. So the measure of angle x over here is 72 degrees. And we know that the angle of full rotation is 360 degrees. So in this angle of full rotation 360 degrees, this part is 72 degrees. Then what is the measure of this part? For that we have to subtract 72 from the angle of full rotation 360. 360 negative 72, I am getting 288 degrees. So that is for the shaded region, the central angle I am getting 288 degrees. Okay, for the shaded region, we have the area. Actually, shaded region is the sector of a circle which has a central angle of 280 degrees. Let me write the given area for the shaded region. Let me write the stuff over here. Area of the shaded region. Instead of shaded region, better we can write area of the sector. Area of the sector equals to 80 pi. And there is a formula to get area of a sector in a circle. That is theta divided by 360 degrees times the area of the circle, which is pi r square, equals to 80 pi. Okay, here this theta is the central angle of the sector. In this case, the central angle of the sector, that is a shaded region, is 288 degrees. We can plug in 288 for theta divided by 360 times pi r square equals to 80 pi. Okay, now what we can do is we can divide this 288 by 360. When I do so, I am getting 0.8 value for this one. Okay, let me continue over here. So 0.8 pi r square equals to 80 pi. Okay, now let me divide both sides by 0.8 pi to solve for r, because our aim is to find the radius. Actually, here this r represents the radius. So this 0.8 pi, 0.8 pi will cancel out. Then r square equals to this pi will cancel out. So when I divide 80 by 0.8, I am getting 100 on the right side. Okay, now to get rid of the square, we have to take square root on both sides. Okay, let me take square root on both sides. Here the square root and square will cancel out. I am getting r on the left side, and we take when we take square root on both sides, for this square root usually we consider positive or negative sign. But here I am not going to consider positive or negative sign, because the radius of the circle can never be negative. So we can consider only positive sign for the square root. And also square root of 100 is 10. Okay, now I got the value of r. That is the radius of the given circle. That is 10. We find 10 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.